So we're gonna make pate choux. So in the pot, I have the water and the butter, and to that I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Now I wanna bring this up to what's called a full rolling boil. That means the entire surface is involved with boiling, and when I stir it, it doesn't go down. So it's nearly there right now. The tool you must use is gonna be the fake wooden spoon. The other utensils like the spatula or the whisk are not good. Now, when I add the flour, I'm gonna add the flour all at once. All at once. Now I'm gonna stir to form a ball. Carefully, hot liquid. Okay, and now as it pulls away from the side, I'm gonna continue stirring, and that ball stage right now, I'm gonna continue stirring for about 45 seconds. Don't forget to stir. What's happening is the starches are getting cooked out, and also there's a fond that starts to appear on the bottom of the pot. Okay, I'm at 45 seconds now. So now I'm going to take it out of this pot. I'm going to put it into a mixing bowl and put it on the machine to cool. I'll put this on speed 2. Now you notice all the steam that's coming up from here. What we want to do is we want to cool it down so that the steam stops, but also I like to use this part of my wrist right here. That's a very sensitive part, not my hand or not over here. And you touch it, right now it's very uncomfortable and I can't keep my hand there. When it's ready, it will feel warm to the touch, but I won't have the tendency to pull off because it's that hot. If you don't have a mixer, you can do this into a separate bowl. I would always take it out of the original cooking pot. It will cool down faster. Okay, it's still warm, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable to touch it. So I'm going to start adding my eggs now. Now when I add the eggs, I'm going to add them initially one at a time. One. Let that mix all the way through before you make your next addition. The mixture will look kind of broken up. It won't get smooth until you've added a few more of the eggs. Now the eggs, the amount of eggs depends on the mixture itself. Sometimes you might need less eggs than it calls for in the recipe. Sometimes you need the exact amount. Sometimes you might need a little bit more. I'll remind you about the slow plop test. We'll do that a little later on to see if it's done. So I'm going to give this a check right now. So take it off the machine. The mixture has a nice smoothness to it. Has a nice pull to it. We'll use our fake wooden spoon again. And just a slow plop. So we have made pate choux.